Welcome guys to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today we are having a question, that is the total salary of A, B, C is rupees 444. If they spend 80%, 85% and 75% of their salaries respectively, then their savings are as 7:6:9. The salary of B is what we have to find out. In this question, both the ratios and percentages are given. So the first thing which we have to do, we have to find out the ratios of the salaries. So here the first thing which we have to do, that is, we suppose we take that let the salary of A plus B plus C, that is 444. So this is the salary of all the three, A, B and C. So this is the total salary. Now if you see in the question that it is saying that if they spend 80%, 85% and 75% of their respective salaries. So here we have to find out the things that is their saving. So here we take, if A spends 80%, you can see it in the above question that if A spend 80%, then how much will be its saving? So here, if A spend 80%, then it means from the total salary, that is 100%. If he spend 80%, then we get the savings, that is 20%. So this is saving of A. So this is A's saving. So hope you have understood it here. Similarly for B, that is how much? From 100%, if he spend how much? That is 85%. 85%, then we get the answer, that is 15%. So this is saving of B. I hope you have understood it till here. And for C, 100% minus how much? That is 75, and this is equal to 25% saving of C. Saving of C. So now we have just found out the percentages of A, B and C. So these are their saving. Now the next thing which we have to do, that is, therefore 20% for A, 20% A saving. A saving, yeah, or you can say it salary. 20% of A salary. That is how much? That is in the ratio. You can see in the above question that it is saying that their savings are as, so their saving, we can write it here, their savings are in the ratio, that is 7:6:9. So this is the ratio saving ratio. I hope till here you have understood it completely. So here we get that is 20% of A saving or salary, that is in the ratio that is 7. So we take X for the salary. Here we take 20%. So this is just 20%. We have just divided it by 100. And that is how much? It becomes a salary, that is 7x. Here we also take x as the salary. Here it becomes a salary, that is 7 multiplied by 7x multiplied by 100 divided by 2. Here we are just taking out the ratio of their saving, or you can say their salary. Then how much it becomes? 0, 0. If we cancel it out, then 2 ones are 2 5s are, and this becomes 35. 35 what? This is S savings ratio. And for B, that is how much? That is 15%. We take 15%, that is 100 of B salary. That is in the ratio, you can see it above clearly, is in the ratio that is 6. So we get here that is 6 multiplied by 100 divided by 15. So 5 3s are 5 20s are, and 3 1s are 3 is 3 2s are, and this becomes how much? B salary. This become 2 multiplied by 20, that is 40. So this is for B. And for C, if the percentage of the saving of C, that is 25%. Therefore 25% of C salary, that is in the ratio, so this is the savings ratio, that is 9. So here we get 9 multiplied by 100 divided by 25. I hope till here you have understood it. So 25 ones are and 25 fours are. So here for C we get that is 9 multiplied by 4, that is 36. So we have just find out the ratios of the salary, or you can say it their savings. Now the thing which we have to do, that is now how much is the salary of AB? A plus B plus C, that was 444. So this become A's ratio we have found, that is 35. Here we take 35x. So x here is the salaries of A, B and C. Till here I think it is hope clear. Plus for B we have found out that is 40x. X is the salary. Plus C, for C we have just find out that is 36. 36 is equal to 444, and this becomes total, that is 111x is equal to 444. X is here we get that is 444 divided by 11, and here we get the answer x is equal to 4. I hope till here you have understood the method. Now in the last part of the question, it is saying that what is the salary of B? So therefore B's salary that is in the ratio we have just find out, that is in the ratio 40. So here we get 40x. So this 40x is for B, and this becomes, that is 40 multiplied by, and the value of x, that is 4, and this becomes how much? It becomes 160. So here 40 multiplied by 4, that is 160, is equal to, so this is the salary of B, this is what? B's salary, and this is our answer as well. So thank you very much.